couple peepees. Oh, and there goes all the sirens. There goes the dog in the back valley. And then there's Grace, completely unaffected. Nana. You know what? Alright, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside, Missy Moo. Yeah. Alright. Here we go, another gust. Another crazy gust. Look at your tail. Your tail's halfway down. All right, come on. Come inside. You want a happy hip? Yeah, I thought so.